Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate a backdoor Roth using Vanguard tools, full guide step by step clearly. To activate a backdoor Roth IRA using Vanguard tools, begin by opening your Vanguard account if you don't already have one. Visit the Vanguard website and log in to your account. If you don't have a Vanguard account, follow the prompts to create one and fund it. Once logged in, navigate to the My Accounts section. Locate and select Open an Account. Choose IRA from the list of account types. Select Traditional IRA as your initial account setup. Complete any required personal information and funding options. After setting up your traditional IRA, navigate back to My Accounts. Now, find your new traditional IRA and select it to access your account options. Click on Contributions to make your initial deposits. Fund your traditional IRA with after-tax dollars. Once the contribution is complete, wait for the funds to clear. After the funds are available, navigate back to your account overview. Select Invest from the menu to start the conversion process. Choose Roth IRA conversion from the list presented. Enter the amount you wish to convert to your Roth IRA. Review the tax implications and ensure you understand the potential impact. Submit the conversion request when you're ready to proceed. You will now need to open a Roth IRA if you don't have one yet. Return to the Open an Account section again. Select Roth IRA and complete the account setup process. Once your Roth IRA is set up, return to the conversion options. Confirm that your conversion has been successfully processed. Review your accounts to ensure both the traditional and Roth IRAs are receiving the correct transactions. Keep track of this year's contributions and conversions for tax reporting purposes. You have now successfully activated a backdoor Roth IRA using Vanguard tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.